Good morning, class. Today we are going to go over triangles and squares. So we are going to open up with our math song to teach us about the different shapes. We're going to go after the video, okay?
We are squares, tra-la-la-la. Triangle, rectangle, circle, and heart. Diamond, square, oval,
Friends, we're not going to talk right now, okay? We're going to have our eyes on the screen, okay?
Diamond, square, oval, and star.
We have sandwiches sailing up.
We are triangles, tra-la-la-la.
Alright, let's try singing along. You ready? Triangles, squares, circles, and stars. Okay. Yes, I like that video too, friends. Here we go. So let's get those thumbs up and ready, and we're going to do our I can statement. Repeat after Miss Suggs. I can identify, name, and describe 2D shapes. Good job. Ready? I can tell and count how many sides and vertices a 2D shape has. Last one, nice and loud and proud. I can compare and contrast between shapes. Good job, friends. So we watched the video on different shapes, circles, squares, stars, and hearts. So now we're going to focus on a square. Let's learn how to tell if a shape is a square. Okay.
I'm a square, over here and over there. I have 4 equal sides, made of 4 straight lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. I kinda look like a box, from my bottom to my top. I don't have any hair, now draw me in the air.
All right, let's get those fingers up. Let's draw together.
Make a straight line up,
Straight line up,
another straight line over,
straight line over,
another straight line down.
straight line down.
Straight line back to the start, and we're there.
We made a square.
I'm a square.
Good job, friends.
I'm a square, over here and over there. I have 4 equal sides, made of 4 straight lines.
Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
I kinda look like a box, from my bottom to my top. I don't have any hair.
All right, let's get those pointed fingers ready. Let's draw together. Ready?
1 straight line up,
1 straight line up,
another straight line over,
straight line over.
another straight line
Good job.
down.
Straight line down.
Straight line back to the start, and we're
Straight to the start. Good job, friends.
I'm a square, I'm a square. I'm a square, I'm a square, I'm a square.
Good job, friends. So we just learned about a shape. Can anybody tell me what is the name of the shape that we just learned? Yes, friend. It is a square. Good job, friend. And how many sides does a square have? 4. Now, it's really important that we remember this key word, equal, okay? Because there's another shape that has 4 sides, but is not a square. So, a square has 4 equal sides. Can you repeat after me? A square has 4 equal sides. Good job, friend. And then there's another key word that we're going to learn today. It's called vertices, and that's when the 2 corners meet. So there's a corner here, a corner there, a corner there, and a corner here, and those are going to be your vertices. So a square, repeat after Miss Sykes, a square has 4 equal sides and 4 vertices. Good job, friend. So a square has how many equal sides and vertices? Let's see. 4. Good job, friends. Okay, so now give me a thumbs up if I point to a square that is a shape, and give me a thumbs down if I point to a square and it is not a shape. Here we go. Is this a square? No, it is not a square. What about this little shape? Is this shape a square? Yes, it is a square. What about this shape? Is this shape a square? Yes, it is a square. What about this shape? It kind of looks like one is not a square. No, you guys can't be tricked. Good job, friends. So now that we have learned about a square, let's learn about a triangle.
Storyman.
What shape should we sing about next? Let's try triangle.
I'm a triangle and I've got 3 sides. I'm a triangle, draw me with 3 lines. An arrow or a tree.
A tree.
You can make the theme. I can
No,
be
we're
a
tired.
mountain.
Let's sit,
Let's
friend.
climb the mountain.
I can be a head.
Do I look stylish?
I can be the ears.
Hello there.
On a kitty cat.
Meow, kitty, kitty.
I can be the beak on a birdie. I can be the nose.
Is that right?
I can be the corn chip. I can be the sail.
Hoist the sail.
Oh boy!
Ship.
Ahoy.
I'm a triangle and I've got 3 sides. I'm a triangle, draw me with 3 lines. A rocket ship or a TV.
Wowie.
You can't make the theme.
I see.
I'm a triangle.
We're glad we tried the triangle.
Storyman.
All right, friends. So, what is this shape that we just learned about? Yes, friend. Not quite, not quite. The square was the last shape that we learned, but good try. Thank you. Can we help out our friend over here? What was the name of this shape? Yes, a triangle. Great job, friend. Great job. And how many sides and vertices does a triangle have? We didn't talk about vertices. Well, remember how on the square, the corners, the connecting lines, the corners were the vertices. So remember how there was 4 in a square and 4 in a triangle? We're the same. There's 4 vertice sides and 4 vertices on a square. Well, the same will be as a triangle. So a triangle has how many sides? 3 sides. So how many vertices do you think a triangle will have? Let's see. Let's count together. 1. Oh, come on, technology. 2 and 3. So we have 1, 2, 3 vertices and 1, 2, 3 sides. So, once again, give me a thumbs up if it is a triangle and a thumbs down if it is not a triangle. Is this shape a triangle? I see some mixed hands. Okay, why is this shape not a triangle? Because it does not have 3 vertices. So, friend, why did you say this shape was a triangle? Because you've seen the pointed sections? I know that was kind of tricky. But remember, a triangle has only 3 vertices and 3 shapes, and this has 1, 2, 3, 4 vertices and 4 sides. What about this shape? Is this shape a triangle? Yes, it has 3 vertices and 3 sides. Good job, friends. So now, if it is a square, show me a 4. And if it is a triangle, show me a 3. What shape is this? If you have a 4, kiss your brain. Good job, friend. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 vertices. What about this shape? If you have a triangle, excuse me, friends. If you have a 3, kiss your brain. A triangle has 3 corners and 3 vertices and 3 sides. So now we are going to do a little shape molding with our Play-Doh. So each of you will get a Play-Doh, and I'm going to point to a shape. When I point to that shape, we are going to make the shape with your Play-Doh. So for instance, if I point to a square, I want you to do your very best to make your Play-Doh into a square. And there's more than one way to make your Play-Doh into a square. This is just one way that I know how to do. So Miss Suggs made a square, okay? So remember, we are making shapes that Miss Suggs points to. We are not playing with the Play-Doh, okay, friends? We're making a shape that Miss Suggs points to, and we are not playing with Play-Doh right now, okay? That is later for social centers, okay, friends? Okay. Can you pass this to all of our friends? Okay, here we go. Let's make this shape. What shape is this? A triangle, good job. And how many sides does a triangle have? 3. Good job, friends. Hold it up in the air once you're done. Everybody, good job. All right, let's ball that shape back up into a round shape. Now, can you make this shape? What shape is this? A square. And how many sides does a square have? 4. Does it have to be equal? Yes, 4 equal sides. Good job. Hold it up in the air once you're done. Good job, friends. Okay, hands on top. That means stop. At this time, I want you all to put your Play-Doh back into the container. Place the lid on the container and come back to carpet. Hands off top, go. All right, friends, we are ready in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Thank you all for being back on the carpet. It is now time for social centers. So with social centers, there are geoboards. With the geoboards, I want you to practice making triangles. You're going to use that rubber band and you're going to stretch it on the pegs to make your triangle. Next is the shapes. You are going to, with your paper, you're going to place the squares inside of the box on the paper. And at the end, you're going to write the number of squares that you put inside of your paper. And then last but not least is our shape chart. You're going to color all of the squares blue, color all of the triangles red, and if it's not a square or triangle, you're going to put a X. Oh, yes. So remember, we're not building blocks right now. We're going to put the squares inside of the shape to count, okay? Good job, friend. Good job. You made some awesome triangles. Awesome, friend. Now, is this shape a square? So what should we do for a shape that's not a square or a triangle? X. Good job. Hands on top. That means stop. At this time, tidy up your stations. Put everything either on your tray or back in your bin and come back to carpet. Okay, now we're going to use our picker wheel. Okay. Brandon, can you come up and tell us what you did at your center? Okay, so Brandon, what center were you at today? You were at the square center? What did you do at the square center? You put the squares inside on the paper. How many squares did you count? 18 squares. Good job. Let's give Brandon a hand clap. Good job, Brandon. So now, last before we go to specials, we are going to do a quick review. What shape is this? A square. Good job, friends. What about this shape? Triangle. Good job, friends. What shape is this? A square. And what shape is, oh, sorry, friends. What shape is this one? A triangle. Good job. Thank you for showing me that you had your best listening ears on. You all stayed in your learning positions and you participated. I'm so proud of you guys. It is now time for specials. Please line up on your number spot.